So my name is Maximilian Plappert. I'm a product specialist for all the spraying equipment from the company Horsch. And today I will show you our pulse wide modulation system on our show truck. So here we have our standard terminal, our standard software for spraying, for operating the whole sprayer. And we can also show how the pulse wide modulation system is working. So with this button here I can regulate the speed. So we are now setting to 250 liters per hectare. If I want to change it, just tap on the amount of liquid, and then I put my new amount of liquid, so liters per hectare, maybe 150. I agree, and the machine is taking the 150 liters per hectare. Here we can see the pressure, here we can see the driving speed, and here we can see the duty cycle. So the duty cycle means how much percent of the time our nozzles are open, and so we have now 75% of opening time. That means the nozzles are 75% of the time they are open and spraying, and 25% of the time they are closed. So here we can adjust the speed. If we're driving faster, we have a normal sprayer, for example, because now we have 100% of opening time. And if we reduce the speed, the machine starts to pulse, and we can also go down with the speed here to 8 kilometers per hour, 7.5, and the same pressure from 7 kilometers per hour up to 21. So that's the range we can drive with a pulse wide modulation system with one nozzle. We don't have to change the nozzle, and we are driving always with the same pressure, so 1.8 bar. That means the drop sizes are always the same. So we have the same drop size, the same applying quality, the perfect covering of the plants, and we can adjust the size of the drops with the pressure we want. Another feature here on this sprayer, or with this pulse wide modulation system, is curve control. Curve control means we can compensate curves. So when we are driving into curves, the outside of the boom is always faster than the inside of the boom. So now we are simulating a right curve. On the right curve, that would mean this boom here would be the inside, and this side would be the outside. So on the right curve, we have to, you can see it here, this nozzle has a very short opening time, so it's pulsing very quick to get less liquid on the inside of the curve. And this nozzle here, you can see it, it's pulsing it has a long opening time, so it sprays more liquid on the outside because this boom side would be faster, and that's how we compensate the curve with the pulse wide modulation system. So that would be the perfect distance we drive in the field, so that's 30 centimeters above the ground when we are driving with 25 centimeter nozzle setup, and when we want to drive with a 50 centimeter nozzle setup, and we just take out the nozzles, then the boom is automatically lifting to get the right length and transverse distribution because of the spraying angle of the nozzles. Okay, so that's it.